Hey everyone, Steve here from Game Time Canadian Cooking, and I'm here actually just doing a quick little video for you. I'm preparing some deer tonight for dinner. I'm making a recipe called Steak Fatina. It's really simple, really delicious. Hopefully it's something that you and your family will try out down the road. All right, so I had some deer backstrap hanging out in some water overnight. I replaced this water 3 times between then and now, just to try to get rid of some of that wild game taste from it. So the water's gone from a bright pink to almost translucent color, which means that it's gotten rid of that flavor, which is something my wife's not really a huge fan of. So right now I'm just gonna strain it out, grab some paper towel, dry each piece, and then I'll season it up. All right, so for this marinade, I'm just gonna be using some olive oil, some crushed black pepper, some dried rosemary, some garlic, about 4 cloves, and about a half tablespoon of Herbamare sea salt. All right, everyone, it's been 30 minutes. I just pulled this meat out of the fridge. I'm just gonna get this frying pan going on a medium-high heat. I'm just gonna take each piece, about 3 or 4 at a time, throw it in the frying pan for about 30 seconds each side and pull it off nice and quick. Oh, I can get 5 in here. Take a quick look underneath. Looks like it's ready to flip. Nice and brown. All right, one more side. This goes really quick, so the rest of your meal better be ready to go because you want to eat this hot. All right, last batch here. If you want to make a nice gravy with some of this brown bits at the bottom of this pan here, you're more than welcome to. But the deer is definitely the star of the show on this one.
Thanks for checking out the video. Please like and subscribe for more wild cooking content. I hope you get to try this recipe out someday, and if you do, have an extra bite for me.